Hi guys, you're welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. In this video, we are going to focus on an essential tool that can seriously improve your ability to identify potential trend reversals. Okay, in this video, we are just going to be talking about a simple oscillator that can help you to spot trend reversal probabilities. Okay, this is the trend reversal probability indicator. All right, we're going to be talking about the trend reversal probability indicator. So if you've ever struggled with predicting where the trend is about to change, this tool is going to be a game changer for you. Let us start with the basics here. The trend reversal probability indicator is a simple oscillator that helps you determine the likelihood of a trend reversal. Okay, what makes this tool so powerful is its ability to identify these critical moments when the market is about to change direction. You can see here it gives us the reversal probability, right? In addition to these, histogram bars that shows the prevailing momentum, the indicator also tells us the reversal probability at the time. Okay, knowing when a trend is at risk of reversing can help you make better trading decisions, giving you an edge in the market. So we've all experienced that feeling of being caught in a trend, in a trade, right? If you have been in the market for a while, you will know that there is a feeling of being caught in a trade right before the market turns against you. And that feeling can be really, discouraging, right? So the trend reversal probability indicator is designed to help you spot those potential trend reversals before they happen. All right. It simplifies the process by providing clear, actionable signals that help you avoid making trades in the wrong direction. Okay, now how does this simple oscillator work? The trend reversal probability indicator operates by analyzing price movements and market momentum. It looks at the strength of a trend and identifies key moments where a reversal could be on the horizon, right? You can see that right now the chance for a bearish reversal is at 12.1%. There are different marks: 14%, 50%, 84%, 98%, 99%. So if this bearish histogram bars should rise all the way to 99, well, perhaps above 50%, then of course you're going to be having a 50% chance of a reversal. If it climbs, the higher it climbs, the higher the probability of a reversal. But right now, a bullish move is more likely. A bullish move is more likely right now, given prevailing conditions in the market. Okay, so when the oscillator signals a potential reversal, it is essentially telling you that the market is showing signs of exhaustion in its current direction. So whether the market is overbought or oversold, these signals can indicate that a change in direction is highly probable. The beauty of the oscillator is its simplicity, right? Unlike other more complex tools, it gives you a straightforward way to gauge the strength of a trend and predict when it might be coming to an end. You can see the features of this indicator, very straightforward, very simple to use. It shows you the different percentages, different levels, shows you the exact percentage at the time. Okay, let's even go to a different time frame. You would see that the signals are dependent on time frame, right? So now let's go to smaller time frame to see if we have a higher probability of a reversal. Let's see. All right. So now you can see that on the 1 minute time frame, the reversal for a bearish, the probability for a bearish reversal is on the high side. In fact, the bearish reversal had already started. 62.1%. You can see it's above the 50% level, but the precise level is 62.1. And you can see that the reversal had already started. So this indicator gives you prediction about reversals. Very, very, very interesting indicator. Yeah. So the trend reversal probability indicator does not make wild guesses. It uses historical data and real-time analysis to determine the probability of a reversal. Understanding how to read the signals is crucial, okay? Because when the oscillators show extreme readings, whether it is in overbought or oversold zones, it's time to pay attention. These are potential reversal points, okay? But it's important not to act on every signal immediately. Confirmation is key, all right? Incorporating other technical analysis tools like, support and resistance zones is very, very important. Incorporating, tools like support and resistance levels, moving averages, candlestick patterns can help confirm the signal. For example, if the indicator shows a high probability of a bearish reversal and maybe price is nearing a key resistance zone, it could be a strong indication that a reversal is about to happen. Okay, remember that while the trend reversal probability indicator is a great tool for spotting reversals, no indicator is foolproof. Okay, that's why using it alongside other forms of analysis is always a good idea. The more confirmations you have, the more reliable your trading decisions will be. Now, how do you actually incorporate this tool into your trading strategy? Well, it's all about timing and using the oscillator signals to your advantage. Once you identify a potential trend reversal, you can prepare for the shift in market direction. For example, if the indicator signals a reversal in an uptrend, you might start looking for short selling opportunities or waiting for the market to show signs of weakness. On the other hand, if the downtrend is about to reverse, you could consider looking for long positions. A simple strategy would be to wait for the oscillator to show extreme readings and then look for confirmation from price action. When the market shows a reversal pattern and the indicator agrees, you have a much higher probability of success. Okay? So, to summarize, the trend reversal probability indicator is a powerful yet simple oscillator that helps you spot trend reversals with greater accuracy. By using this tool, you can identify critical moments when the market is likely to change direction, giving you a huge advantage when it comes to planning your trades. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more valuable trading insights. Hit the bell icon so you can stay updated on all our new content. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video with more tips to help you succeed in the markets.